Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make Oreo balls. Grind 18 Oreos. Add 100 grams of cream cheese and mix well. Place in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. To get equal sizes, use a tablespoon and roll the mixture. You can also use a teaspoon if you want smaller sizes. Freeze for 15 minutes. Dip in 150 grams of melted white compound. You can add crushed Oreos on top. You can also dip in melted dark compound. Freeze for 20 to 30 minutes before serving. It's a really easy recipe. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.